Next for basic medium. For the basic medium, add as many OH minus to both side as many hydrogen ion were added in one side. So how many hydrogen ion we added, that many OH minus ion we have to add in both sides. Here the example which they are given is MnO4 minus plus I minus give MnO2 plus I2. So here what happened? MnO4 is reduced to MnO2. Oxidation state of MnO4. Here we have to calculate the oxidation state of Mn. X. Oxygen minus 2, so 4 oxygen are there, so minus 8. The whole charge is minus 1, so is equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 plus 8. So x is equal to 7. So in MnO4 the oxidation state of manganese is plus 7. So what is the oxidation state of Mn in MnO2? You have to consider as x. 2 oxygen, so minus 4. No charge, so there is 0. X is equal to plus 4. So in MnO2 oxidation state is plus 4. So in equation MnO4 in oxidation state plus 7, in MnO2 oxidation state plus 4. So it is reduced plus 7 to plus 4. Oxidation state is decrease. Oxidation number it is decreased, so it is reduced. Look at here, iodine I minus is there. When it is converting into product I2 is there. I2 is the elemental, so 0. Minus to 0, it is oxidation number increase. So it is oxidation. Minus 1 to 0 is oxidation. Now what is oxidation reaction in this? Minus I minus to I2. What is the reduction reaction? MnO4 minus to MnO2. Okay. So now you have to balance it. Here iodine minus 1 is there. Here I2 is there. So to balance that 2I. So minus charge, 2 minus charge is there. To balance that we are adding 2 electron. So 2 minus and plus 2 electrons. So MnO4 minus is there. Here MnO2 is there. So manganese balanced. Here 2 oxygen, here 4 oxygen. So that what we have to do? We have to add, here 2 oxygen is less. So that we are adding 2H2O. Why we have added 2H2O? Here O is 4, here O is 2. So that 2H2O. Now 4 hydrogen are there. So to balance that we have written 4H plus. Now what is the charge? 4 plus minus. So charge is plus 3. To make that we are adding plus 3. Now here plus 3 is there. Here plus 2 is there. So in this 2 electrons are there. Here 3 electrons are there. So we have to multiply this equation by 3 and multiply this equation by 2. So oxidation equation by 3 and reduction equation by 2. So you will be getting 6I, 3I2, 6 electron. 4 into 2, 8H plus 2 MnO4, 3 into 2, 6 electron, 2 MnO2, 4H2O. Now we have to add both equation. 6H, 8H plus 2 MnO4 minus 6 electron, 3I2, 6 electrons, 2 MnO2, 4H2O. So here In reactant side, gate H plus is there. So this is basic medium equation. So how many hydrogen ion are there? That many OH minus ion we have to write in both side, reactant side as well as product side. So 8 OH and here also 8 OH we have written. What happened here? 8 H plus and 8 OH are there. H plus ion combined with OH ion give water molecule. So 8 H plus 8 OH is converting into 8 water molecule. So 8 water molecule, 2 MnO4 minus 3I2, 2 MnO2 plus 4 H2O. Charge is minus 8. Whether it is balanced or not, you can check it is balanced. Charge is minus 8. Here the charge is minus 8. Here another one example given. I will post this one. Next one, bromium minus 2 manganese oxide, MnO4 minus. This also in such a way, bromium minus is converting into plus 5. So that is oxidized. Here plus 7 is converting into plus 4. So it is reduced. Oxidation, reduction. Oxidation of Br minus to BrO3. MnO4 to MnO2. So 2 hydrogen are there. Here 2 oxygen, 4 oxygen are there. So to compensate 2 water molecule we have written. So 4 H plus ion. Charge is 4 plus and minus 1. So plus 3. So we added plus 3 electron. Here 3 O are there. So 3 H2O we have written. 6 hydrogen are there. So 6 H plus. Charge is H plus minus. So 6 electron. Now we have to multiply by 3. Or because here 6 electron, here 3 electrons. So that multiply this reduction equation by 2. MnO4 minus 8 H plus 6 electron. To compensate balance this electron only, we are multiplying 3 equation to 2, equation by 2. Add both equation. 6 electrons will be get cancelled. Here 6 H plus ion is there, here 8 H plus ion is there though, so that it will convert into 2. Here 3 H2O is there, here 4 H2O is there, so it will convert into 1 H2O. So how many hydrogen ion are there? 2 hydrogen ions are there. So for that we are adding 2 OH minus in the reactant side as well as in the product side. Now Br minus 2 MnO4 minus 1 H2O. Only one because here 2 H2O is there. That also will be get cancelled. BrO3 plus 2 MnO2 plus H2O plus 2OH. This 2OH and this 2H will convert into H2O. So this H2O is formed from this hydrogen ion and OH minus ion. So BrO3 will get cancelled, 2OH. Final equation is Br2 minus 2MnO4 minus H2O gives BrO3 minus 2MnO2 plus 2OH minus. Atoms are balanced. Br, 2Mn, 2Mn. Oxygen 9 here, oxygen 9. 7 plus 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2. Hydrogen 2, here also hydrogen 2. Okay, what is the charge? Here is minus, here 2 minus, so minus 3. Here what is the charge? Minus and 2 minus, minus 3. Charge also balanced. One homework, you can write this. Another example, Cu plus HNO3 gives CuNO3 twice plus NO2 plus H2O. Actually this, without doing all those steps, we can balance it easily because we know the balance. But here what we are doing, we are converting into ionic state and we are balancing like a redox reaction balanced. Without writing this also you can balance it. But if they are asking to balance in the redox reaction type means you have to write this all the steps. Then only you can balance it. Another one example here it is disproportionation redox reaction. Disproportionation redox reaction means one element will show different oxidation number. Here phosphorus is there in the reactant side, in the product side 2 place phosphorus is there, they will be in the different oxidation state. Look at the oxidation state of P4, 0, and what's the oxidation state of NaOH, Na plus, O minus 2, H plus, and pH3. This oxidation state of phosphorus is X plus 3 is equal to 0, so X is equal to minus 3. Here it is minus 3. What is the oxidation state of P in NaH2PO2? Here Na plus H2 plus P we don't know, O 2 minus 2, so minus 2 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Finally X is equal to plus 1. So in this equation itself, phosphorus in pH it is present in the minus 3 state, in NaH2PO4 it is present in plus 1 state. So that only it is known as disproportionation redox reaction. So here P4 is converting into pH3. So oxidation number reduced. So it is reduction because in P4 it is 0. In pH3 it is minus 3. So 0 to minus 3 it is reduced. Next one in P4 is converting into NaH2PO2. Here oxidation state it is increased, so that it is oxidation. So divide the equation into 2 half. You have divided. So convert the above equation into ionic equation. When you see this ionic equation, Na is divided into Na plus and OH minus. Here also Na plus is there, so Na will be get cancelled. So you can write this equation in such a way, Na you can cancel. So P4 is equal to H2PO2. Finally we can add this Na. So P4, PH3. So you can balance as it is H2PO2. 4 P4 are there, so we added 4P. How many oxygen are there? 8 oxygen are there, so we have written 8H2O. When H2O is there, here 8 hydrogen are there, remaining 8 hydrogen we need, so that we have written 8H plus. What is the charge here? Plus 8 charges there. So that 4 minus electron. P4, PH3. Here how 4 P, so that 4P we have written. Now 12 hydrogen are there, so 12 hydrogen ion, so that 12 electrons. Plus 8 is there, so 4 minus. So here 4 electrons, so multiply by here 4 electrons, here 12 electrons. So what we have to do? This one we have to multiply this by 3. So we will get 12 electrons. So multiply this equation by using 3. So I am getting this. Finally, this 24 hydrogen ion, here 12 hydrogen ion, that will change to 12 hydrogen ion, 12 electrons will be get cancelled. Here 1 P4, here 3 P4, so together 4 P4 is there. P4 P4 plus 24 H2O gives 12 H2PO2 plus 12 H plus ion plus 4 PH3. So cancel the given equation by 4. So 4 is there, you can simplify it. 4 you can cancel. This 4 6 H2O, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 ones are 4, cancel. So the final equation is P4 6H2O gives 3H2PO2 plus 3H plus PH3. So due to basic medium, how many hydrogen ions are there? That many OH minus ion we have to add. How many hydrogen ions are there? 3. So here also we have to add 3 OH. Here also we have to add 3 OH. When we are adding 3 OH here and here, 3H plus and 3 OH minus is there combined, and they will form as a 3 moles of water. 3 moles of water is present, here 6 moles of water is present. So finally we are getting 3 moles of water. So P4 plus 3H2O plus 3 OH gives 3H2PO2 plus H2O plus PH3. So in this main equation, sodium is there. So we have to add sodium in the reactant side as well as in the product side. So how many OH ions are there? 3 OH. So we have to add 3 Na. So 3 NaOH, and here also 3 NaH2O, PO2. So we have to add Na in both reactant side and product side. So we will be getting P4 3 NaOH plus 3 H2O gives 3 NaH2PO2 plus PH3. You can practice this all this equation, and in your textbook also many equation is given. So use this rule and try to balance it. Then you never forget, children. This is easy way. Actually, wherever we want we are adding, wherever we don't want we are deleting. That's all. Correct? For oxygen we are adding H2O. To balance hydrogen we are adding H plus. Number of electrons you should be neutral, so that if plus 4 is there means plus minus electron we are adding. We are adding plus 4 electron. Finally we have to add both and we can simplify it equation. So very interesting one. So just like you can game, you can balance this. So here one homework I have given. I will post these images. You can write down in your classwork, and homework you can write in a homework notebook and send in the assignment.